Hey guys, wouldn't it be cool if you had an income of $300 to $400 every week without even doing anything? You could leave your jobs after a while and start a new business with that money. And just like Robert Kiyosaki, leave the rat race. If you want to know how, stick till the end because we at Money Capital have a motive to create millionaires without efforts. Without any further ado, let's get started with the video. What is Bomb Crypto? Bomb Crypto is a game where you search for token, Bitcoin, and fight monsters by using NFT bomb heroes. The official website has published 12 pixelated NFT heroes with random attributes. Heroes with good performance can enhance a player's ability to search for Bitcoin. Bomb Crypto was created by ZenSpark, an independent developer founded in 2011 that already has more than 100 million downloads of its games for both Android and iOS. Bomb Crypto is their first blockchain game project. The interest in play-to-earn games has expanded largely in 2021, and now, in 2022, it has earned a huge fan base. Bomb Crypto is a play-to-earn game loved by players, 600,000 users having only launched in September. Pretty unbelievable, I'd say. This old-school Bomberman game with very simple 2D graphics, you'll be on a quest of collecting bombers which will help you earn Bitcoins, the native game currency. This will allow you to gather stronger bombers or sell what you collected to other players. Before you start playing, you'll need to first buy at least 10 Bitcoins as of this moment. That would cost you around $30, which is relatively low compared to December 1st, 2021, when the entry price was around $80. There's also another option for buying a house or upgrading your bomber, but we'll get to that. Okay, great. So suppose you bought your first bomber and it cost you 10 Bitcoins. Usually people would recommend you to buy at least 10 bombers, and that is a 100 Bitcoin investment, which is equivalent to $300 without counting the gas fees. And to be honest with you, I don't think that you should invest that amount of money at the start of the game, especially since the graphics are 2D and date back to the Atari time. So let's just stick with the 10 Bitcoin sample for now. Of course, everyone is free to invest whatever they believe is right. But since we're exploring the game, it's safer to go with a low sum of money until we're sure that the game is suitable for us. Now, the Bomb Crypto is also more about NFT collectibles that you can fight and trade. But after you're invested, what afterwards? Don't worry, we're here to help you. But before we start, do subscribe, and if you want to know more tips and tricks about how to earn money without giving any efforts and quit the rat race like Robert Kiyosaki, because we at Money Capital upload just on that. You can start playing directly right after buying a bomb hero, but you can also develop your hero or buy a house. Since the heroes need to build and recharge stamina, you would need a house in order to do that. You can also decorate your house with items that will fasten the recovery of your bomb hero. Oh, by the way, did you know that Bomb Crypto has won the title of the best play-to-earn game in the Play to Earn Blockchain Game Awards by playtoearn.net? Pretty cool, right? With a maximum quantity of 100 million tokens, the entire market value of Bomb Crypto being $32 million. About 11 million tokens have already been distributed, and according to the game's white paper, the developers are yet to determine whether or not to burn them, since it would rely on the game's economy and the digital currency's current stake. Keep in mind that Bomb Crypto is more of an investment than a game. Of course, most play-to-earn games are built this way and require an investment before you can begin playing, but some are more investment-focused than others, as is the case with Bomb Crypto. With that in mind, you should expect a return on investment of at least 10%. Bomb Crypto has been around for a while, having ironed out a number of issues, bugs, and glitches. The Bomb Crypto team is fully geared towards creating a polished and fun gaming experience that's set to earn gamers a serious amount of income. The core gameplay itself uses the traditional and iconic Bomberman gameplay with some awesome blockchain integrations that look to elevate the genre to the next level, allowing gamers to collect, fight monsters, and trade them for real money. The vital play-to-earn mechanics of Bomb Crypto has individual players managing a group of bomb heroes they're programmed to search for Bitcoin and fight monsters. These heroes all have unique stats that can be upgraded in order to improve performance and compatibility with these assets. Able to be bought and sold across the marketplace, you should expect a return on investment by farming a certain amount of Bitcoins over a period of time. There is a simulator that will guide you through the process and facilitate the calculations for you, which you can find at bombcryptosimulator.com. The story mode of Bomb Crypto has gamers choosing one of their bomber heroes for each story level, with the player needing to destroy every single monster in order to pass through each level. There's also the chance of dropping B coins purely through playing across story mode. Players will also use up their Bomber Hero's energy. Taking damage from monsters will also result in an energy loss when your energy reaches 0. The whole battle will be lost, but there also exists a number of boss battles in story mode that can earn players some valuable and lucrative NFT rewards. Battle mode is the PvP and multiplayer aspect of Bomb Crypto. With players from around the world facing off against one another, players will need to pay a specific amount of Bcoin tokens as an entry fee that will contribute to the overall reward. The winner will end up taking the majority of these wager tokens, simple yet fun and engaging. It's clear to see that Battle Mode will keep Bomb Crypto alive for many years to come. Bomb Crypto is not being created by some casual team of fresh-faced developers. This is a blockchain gaming title brought to you by Senspark, which is an indie games developer founded in 2011 with a strong focus on Android and iOS games that has since expanded into the blockchain with a total staff greater than 50 and has created an excess of 40 games with total downloads surpassing 100 million. It's clear to see that the Senspark team has learned a great deal across the 10+ years of experience throughout the gaming sector. The Senspark team understands how to create and release a video game, currently in the process of adding the Bomb Crypto Marketplace story mode and additional skins, an increased focus on community events with an additional leaderboard with reward incentives that benefit higher skilled players, as well as a new battle mode Q4. There will be additional NFT items as well as a completely new PvP map. It's clear to see that the Bomb Crypto team is not being far too ambitious, yet looks to introduce attractive additional features that are set to both attract new players and keep existing players interested in the platform. The Bomb Crypto NFT-based blockchain game does very little in terms of innovation, although the gaming sector is looking for it right now with a simplistic yet classic gameplay loop and some attractively collectible NFT sets that Bomb Crypto is set to see gamers from around the world generate earnings through by simply playing and engaging with the Bomb Crypto ecosystem. We hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and comment down below. If you have benefited from these videos, be sure to check out our other videos. See you in the next one.